Oh, struggling to get to 1000 subscribers? That is as simple as Kuli and Gary. And today's video, I am going to teach you how you can get this just in one day. Yes, you may be surprised. 1000 subscribers in one day? That is as simple as Kuli and Gary, and I'm going to teach you how to do that today. So now, stay tuned to the very end of this video. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Trans Studios Academy, a place where we teach you on how to grow massively on YouTube and also skyrocket your business in all angles. So stay tuned as I'm going to explore how you can get your first 1000 subscribers in one day. Now watch this video to the very end. So one of the first things you have to do before you can get 1000 subscribers in 2025. Now let me tell you something. YouTube is on easy mode. Yes, YouTube is not considering your subscribers before they can promote your content. You can have 0 subscribers and have 1 million views. Very simple. Now you are going to follow the strategy right now so that you can be able to get your first 1000 subscribers without wasting time. Now let's go. No need to tell story, just point. Now this same strategy have been applied by many channels and they were able to come out with this result. Amazing result. You may be surprised. How come? How is that possible? Very possible. As you all know, artificial intelligence have made everything simple for us in this coming year. So it becomes simple for you to do it. Before when I started YouTube in 2018, it shows, when I started YouTube, you have to stay for a long time before you can get your first 1000 subscribers, but now it is on easy mode and I'm going to teach you how you can get that and do that without wasting time. Now let's get started without telling story. Now number one, for you to get 1000 subscribers on this channel, after creating your channel, you ensure that you input all the detail of your channel. You know, there are some people that do not verify their channel. There's nothing like verification. When your channel is not verified, you don't really have a YouTube channel. You know why? Without verification, YouTube will not be considering your content. They will be confused on the kind of content you're producing or the kind of audience that needs to watch it. So now, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to verify your channel using your phone number. So now what you're going to do is that you're going to, okay, now let me take you to my screen and show you how to do it. So when you hop up to the screen, you are going to move on to the settings of your app, move on to channels, move on to advanced settings, then check, you can see advanced feature where you are asked to input your phone number. And after inputting your phone number, Google will send you a code, input the code, and your channel is fully verified. That is the first thing you have to do. Now secondly, start uploading content. Some creators will be like, oh my god, let me create channel first before I start uploading content. No, you have to have your channel, content ideas, everything fully ready before you can start kicking out. So now this is what you have to do. You have to generate your content idea, and generating content idea is very simple as Kuli and Gary these days. Yeah, Kuli and Gary, very simple. So one of the things you have to do is you can use tools like Gemini, ChatGPT, and other AI tools to just generate your script, and it's very simple. No need to waste time. So after that, create your content, and after creating your content, it doesn't just end there. Now here is the main point. Because you are a new channel without a very good number of subscribers, it may be difficult for your video to start moving at first. So here is what you should do. Now, after generating that amazing idea and producing your video ready to be uploaded, ensure you get your thumbnail ready. And after your thumbnail is fully ready, this is another important thing you must do. You don't just upload your video with just anyhow title, but ensure that you use SEO rich titles. Now, here is how to get SEO rich titles. That is to say, you have to get a title that people are constantly searching for. Yes, people are constantly searching for it. Now, here is how to get it. One of the things you must do is ensure that Okay, let's say you generate a video on how to get 4,000 watch hours, or maybe you are in your niche. You say, okay, this is how to cook. Your channel is based on cooking recipe or something of that nature. You say this is how to prepare pounded yam as an African man in Nigeria. This is how you can prepare pounded yam. So after doing that, copy the title, go to ChatGPT, paste the title, and ask ChatGPT to generate an SEO rich metadata for YouTube. Once you write that, ChatGPT is going to generate an amazing title, amazing description, powerful tags, and hashtags that you can use to upload. Now, copy this hashtag titles one by one and paste it into your video description and the title and your tag and everything and hashtags. So once you're done, upload. Now, here's another point. Some people upload, some creators upload and just go and rest, assuming they want YouTube to start doing their work. No, the algorithm doesn't do the work of promoting your content when you are just resting. So this is what you should do. After doing that, you don't just rest. After uploading, this is where the strategy of getting 1,000 subscribers come in. One of the things you must do is repurpose that long video into short immediately. Yeah, don't use the YouTube feature that says transform short into this. No, don't use that. What you have to do is just use CapCut or any video editing app on your phone and transform it to 9:16 aspect ratio. That is mobile portrait aspect ratio. Once you're able to do that, go to your YouTube short, ensure it is less. Grab the important point from your video, ensure it is not more than 15 seconds. Yeah. After doing that, go to your YouTube channel and post it. After posting it, don't just leave it. For the shorts, play your shorts. Yeah, you must be the one to generate the first view. Play your shorts. After playing it, leave your phone or your device playing it on repeat. Yes, this is the powerful trick that many creators will not tell you. Yes. So what you're doing right now is put it on repeat. Allow it to play multiple times. You know what you're trying to do? You are trying to tell the algorithm that this is very, very good. This short is amazing and people are very interested in it. Because of that, the algorithm will send a signal. Oh, let us try to promote this short. Before you know, it may not move immediately, but come back one day, 24 hours, 23 hours, 12 hours time, and you see that short skyrocketing to thousands of views. And you know what? Shorts generate subscribers. That is abnormal. Understand that? So that is how to get your first 1,000 subscribers in this 2025. Very simple. As you can see, it's as simple as kuli and gari. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching to this very point. Apply this few strategy I just told you and see yourself skyrocket from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. So if you're blessed by this video, consider subscribing, thumb up, and share this video. Please click the subscribe button because I have amazing, important, good strategy and tip for you coming up soon. Thank you. Subscribe to Trans Studio Academy and let's explore together. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye bye.